Hello kids! Kids, today we are going to learn birds. Okay, let's start. Which bird is this? This is a sparrow. Sparrow is a small and sweet bird. And which bird is this? This is a pigeon. Kids, pigeon is a symbol of peace. And which bird is this? Crow. And which bird is this? Eagle. And this one? Swan. And which bird is this? Parrot. Kids, parrot likes to eat chili. Goose. And which bird is this? Do you know? Yes, it's a peacock. Kids, peacocks have beautiful feathers. And peacock is our national bird. And this one is hen. And which bird is this? Cock. And which bird is this? Owl. Kids, owl can see at night. And which bird is this? Duck. And this one? Penguin. Now, this time, which bird is the national bird and which bird is symbol of peace? Okay, send me answer. Bye.